and welcome to our exciting session on purchasing and supplier selection using the analytical hierarchy process or AHP, a comprehensive guide. My name is Lydia and today we are going to dive into a powerful decision-making tools. These tools can transform how you select supplier and manage procurement. And now get ready to explore how AHP can bring clarity and efficiency to your supplier selection process. Welcome everyone and thank you for joining. Today we will explore how the analytical hierarchy process or AHP can aid in supplier selection. Effective supplier selection is crucial for maintaining quality, reducing costs, and ensuring reliability in any organization. Analytical hierarchy process or AHP, what is it? Well, the analytical hierarchy process or AHP is a structured decision-making technique developed by Thomas L. Satie in the 1970s. The analytical hierarchy process has the purpose to help decision makers tackle complex problems by breaking them down into a hierarchy, making it easier to analyze and prioritize different aspects of the decision. AHP involves several steps to ensure a true analysis. Step 1. Define the problem and determine the kind of knowledge sought. Step 2. Structure the decision hierarchy from the top goal to intermediate objective to alternative. Step 3. Construct pairwise comparison metric for element in each level. And the last step, which is step 4, use prioritize from comparison to weight prioritize in the level below. This structured approach ensures a comprehensive evaluation process. Next, let's find the flowchart in AHP. Define the problem, structure the hierarchy, synthesize result, make the decision, perform pairwise comparison, structure pairwise comparison metric, and the last flowchart calculate weight and consistency ratio. The importance of supplier selection. Supplier selection significantly impact the quality, cost, and reliability of your operation. Therefore, a systematic and objective method like HAP is crucial for making informed and effective supplier selection decisions. It helps in mitigating risks and maximizing benefit. Let's look at how AHP can be applied to supplier selection. The process began with identifying the criteria that are important for the selection. The initial step is to identify the criteria for selection, such as cost, quality, delivery performance, technical capability, and financial stability. These criteria are then organized into a hierarchical model, which provides a clear structure for comparison and analysis. Here's an example of hierarchical structure for supplier selection. At the top level, we have the goal, which is to select the best supplier. The second level consists of criteria, cost, quality, delivery, technical capability, and financial stability. The third level lists the potential supplier. This structure helps in systematically analyzing and comparing each supplier based on the defined criteria. Next, we perform pairwise comparison. This involves comparing criteria in pair, for example, cost versus quality. And for the scale, we use a scale of 1 to 9 to rate their importance, where 1 indicates equal importance and 9 indicate extremely important. Here, an example of a pairwise comparison table which shows how each criterion is rated against two others. AHP also involves a consistency check to ensure that our judgments are reliable. We calculate the consistency ratio or CR, which should be less than zero point 0.1 to indicate that our comparisons are consistent. And here's a quick look at how we calculate the CR and what it tells us about our decision making process. And then I have been attached the example of the calculation of the consistency check. To wrap things up, we have seen how AHP offers a structured and objective way to tackle the complexities of supplier selection, and it's helped ensure that your decisions are well informed, balanced, and aligned with your strategy goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful for your own decision making process. We are now at the Q&A session. If you have any question or comment, feel free to reach out me at my number phone, and I'd love to hear you through and help with any queries you might have. Thanks again for joining, and I look forward to your question.